We are doing fresh OJ. Yes, fresh squeezed orange juice. So, y'all know the benefits of OJ, and there's actually nothing better than drinking fresh orange juice. So, I've got all of my oranges over here cut up, and we are going to get to finishing up. I've already done some of the orange juice already. Thanks for the likes. I've already got some of the orange juice already. This is 2 bags of Valencia oranges from the farmer's market that I got. I'm prepping for my week. I've already got my chili going over there. I did that this afternoon. Chili is all inside the crock pot, getting ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to wake up and have that all done. We're just going to put that in containers. That's it. This is how easy it is to live a healthy lifestyle. Fresh OJ. Yep, I got an orange sitting right on the top here. Hey, fresh OJ. And look, y'all, there's no excuse to eating healthy. Instead of buying those, yeah, I'm going to have to do this while I'm talking. Oh, look at my arms. I'm trying to work out. This is exercise too. Oh my goodness, I just thought about it. If you have a juicer, this is exercise as well. Did y'all see? Look at that. I'm working out my triceps. But yeah, it is exercise. That is the other beautiful thing about, I'm going to get rid of some of this pulp. I have a composting bag down here, and this is going in my compost tomorrow. All of the veggies that I cut up, some of the scraps, they're going to go into the composter tomorrow. I have a big bin in the back that I use to compost all of my veggies. Hey, Evelyn, how are you recuperating from that knee surgery? We're talking about drinking fresh OJ. Instead of going to the store and buying an expensive, not good for you, full of artificial refined sugar, fake OJ. You know what I'm talking about, you guys. Just grab you 2 bags, even 1 bag. You don't have to even get 2 bags full of oranges. I think the oranges might have cost me like $4 for the bags of them. And I'm able to just take a minute, slice them up, put them on this juicer. They also have, I'm actually getting ready to get another juicer where you just slice it in half. But after just talking about the exercise I'm getting from this, I may not do it because we're trying to do more than just eat here. Food is to fuel our bodies. I don't know if you guys know, but I love to add this protein powder in. This one has 25 grams of fiber. This comes in vanilla and French vanilla and Dutch chocolate. Has 14 grams of fiber, plant-based. We're doing all plant-based here, you guys. I've only got a few more oranges left. We are going to start this week off right by eating healthy. If you want to join this healthy community of support, Evelyn is doing so great. She is recuperating. I know she's going to be up doing the cha-cha-cha slide with me very soon when I come down to Florida. I've been dancing with Evelyn as long as I could walk. That's how long I've known her. And she is on this health journey with us. This is a lifestyle, not a diet. And everybody's, you see all these ads for diets, you guys. Go ahead and share this out to your stories, to your friends for me. Let's get the message out to do things that actually are economical, things that actually are a good workout for you. This right arm of mine is getting a good workout. And I'm going to take all of this stuff and put it right back into the compost, into the earth. And it's going to turn around and produce more food for the planet, for myself. I'm not just adding to the garbage in the system. I'm actually going to be feeding the earth back as food, and also be feeding myself. Because this orange juice is going to be so good. Oh, I think I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. I actually may have a container that's too small. What do you guys think? So I'm going to take this pulp and put it inside my bag there. Now we're going to go ahead and pour this. I make a mess sometimes, so excuse me. There we go. I didn't make too much of a mess. We are almost at the top. Almost at the top. Clean that off. I dropped a little bit of the orange juice over that. I don't want to have too much of a mess because this is electrical equipment. I'm not trying to electrocute myself, but this is all very simple. Simple way to get in some healthy drinks. Some people don't like to drink water all day. We just came off that water challenge 5-day. It was amazing. Everybody had really good results. I was actually asked by a group of women to do it for their group. So I'm so excited to be able to do this program that I worked so hard to develop. and gotten great results. The first time I did it, I had about 52 people join. The second time, we had about 70 something join. There's so much potential, but the results were amazing. Oops. Gotta wipe that up. The results were amazing because people saw how water, that one change. You like water. I love water too. Uh-oh. There we go. I like water too, but sometimes you want to have a little flavor to your water. And during our water challenge, we teach you the different things you can flavor your water with and how beneficial it is to have water in your diet, not when you think about it, not just in the summertime, because that's what happens. A lot of people just think about hydrating in the summertime because it's so hot. But what many times we fail to remember is that the wintertime, you need to hydrate as well. Instead of taking all these vitamins and all these other things, think about getting your nutrition from your food. Sometimes you can eat your food, you can drink your food. Do a little bit of both. And this is where this good, real orange juice comes from. Straight from the orange. It's going to take you all of maybe 10 minutes, depending on how many oranges that you're doing. I did 2 bags. So it took me, I don't know. I don't think I've even been doing this for 10 minutes yet. Because I cut them up before I actually got on Facebook. I cut up the oranges before I got on Facebook. So I'm going to say I've been doing this for about 10 minutes now. And that was cutting up the oranges, juicing them here, and pouring them out. I don't think I've been going for 10 minutes, y'all. I'm telling you. This is super easy. Anything that is worth the effort, yeah, you just can't go in the refrigerator and just grab a box that says that it's orange juice and drink out of it. But think of how much you're going to be energized from this. Some people may say, oh, well, it's so much sugar in, I'm diabetic, it's so much sugar in fresh fruit. Just as much sugar inside of those box drinks, if not more. And that's not the real stuff. This is the real stuff. And then also during our program, we teach you how to have an active lifestyle. So for any program, you can't just sit there and cut out calories and not move your body. It's not healthy, and it just doesn't work long term. It doesn't teach you healthy habits, and that's what we're about. Healthy habits. We've got the results to prove it, that it works, and I'm here to teach you just some different things you could do on a Sunday evening while you're sitting there relaxing, watching the game. Many of you are watching the game. There we go. Watching the game, this might be too much. I may have to help it out a little bit. We don't know. Let's see. Yep, I may have to help it out some. And drink a little bit here. Let's see. I don't think it could fit. So I'm going to do a live taste test and let you know how this tastes. Now, you know it tastes great. Very good. I made some last night with some turmeric. I blended up turmeric, put some pepper in it with some fresh OJ. Oh my goodness. It was so good, y'all. It was so good. I think I should do it tonight. I got to get the top for this, but look what 2 bags of orange juice made. Now, yeah, it might have cost me about $8. 2 of those bags were, I think, like $3.99 or $4.99. I don't remember. But I'm not going to sit there and drink all of this. This is so good. And it tastes so good. But when it's cold, it's going to be even better. It just tastes fresh. But I'm just going to have this tonight because I couldn't fit it all in there. But these are simple things you can do. I've got chili over there being made. This right here, I can have a glass of this in the morning before I go off. I can mix it in my smoothies if you want. You can add some turmeric to it. I have some turmeric that I'm going to actually blend up and put in here with a little bit of pepper. And that's an anti-inflammatory drink that I like to drink. I maybe use it a couple times a week. But there's so many things you can do with this orange juice that you cannot do with other box juices. Because number one, they have fake sugar. This has the real thing. It's coming straight from it. And I think how many vitamins and minerals come inside of that food. And this is where vitamins and minerals come from, the food. They're not isolated. They're not taken into a lab and all of that kind of stuff. You're actually just juiced 2 bags of oranges. Got this, hey Beyond, got this amazing orange juice. Look at the color. That's the other thing I encourage you to do. Look at the color. Drink it and see how it tastes. Again, I'm going to add some turmeric to this and some black pepper and drink this tonight before I go hop in my shower. These are simple things that during our program we teach you how to do. So that water challenge helped my clients to see how important it is to give this body, which is basically a water bottle, enough water. The analogy I love to help people to see is, imagine if you only gave your body 40 ounces of water a day and you weigh 150 to 200 pounds. Now your body has to say, which organ do I want to share that water with? Because it's not enough. So why will we give our body that task to decide? Do I give the brain enough? Do I give the kidneys this? Do I give the colon this? Give our bodies enough water. It could be through our food, through our drinking. We can hydrate various ways. Some people need a little flavor to that water. There are certain things you can do to get that. I grow different herbs. You can get some cucumber. You can get some lemon. There are different kind of things, herbs you can put in, peppermint. You can put fruit inside of your water. There are so many things. But what this challenge has done is help people to see how a simple change, not so much just the water, but the water is huge. But a simple change can really push you and give you the catapults to see that if I made that one change in 5 days and my body feels like this, what can I do if I keep this going? So several of the people say, well, I'm going to keep going and see how I feel. Well, the other group decided to join my 3-week gut relief intensive. So we are going to have a private app. I have a private coaching app where I teach you how to incorporate different mechanisms, not only just water, but we work on your sleep, your hydration, your mindset, really focusing on how to change those habits. Because what I found throughout the years of coaching is that people are very, especially in this culture, are very diet driven. Diet mentality. And we've got to get rid of that because diets don't work. They just don't work. I come from a family, they have done plenty of diets. And my family would tell you, yeah, I can lose the weight, but the thing is keeping it off. Getting off of medication, seeing people actually go back to their doctors and their doctors are like, wow, you don't need this medication anymore that I told you you're going to have to be on for the rest of your life, because they didn't give them the things they needed to implement to make the changes and give them the support that they needed, the direction. People need directions. You need steps. When I first went vegan, I'm going to tell you, it was a year education for me to realize how to do this. And I got it wrong the first year. It was so many ups and downs. I didn't have the tools. I didn't have the support. I was going at it all alone. And when I finally understood, hey, this is a lifestyle, girl. This is a lifestyle. You have to do what fits you, but you have to have certain things in order. Just like I'm juicing these oranges now. I bought those oranges because I knew I did not want to go to the store and buy boxed juice, but I knew I wanted some flavor to my food. I knew I wanted to add some different flavor to my smoothies. I knew I wanted to do a turmeric orange juice pepper drink. There are things I wanted to do with that orange juice. So I said, let me buy 2 bags of oranges. And on Sunday when I prep, I'll just chop them up and juice them. It'll take me less than 10 minutes. I did that. Earlier today, I came in, chopped up my veggies, opened my beans, put all of that stuff inside my crock pot. It's been cooking. It's going to cook until the morning. All my seasonings in there. It's going to do its thing. I was able to go ahead and work on my program, on my coaching app, and do all of that and not worry about a thing. Now I'm going to clean up the kitchen, put things in a dishwasher, and be done on my merry way to my part of my wellness that I encourage my clients to get, which is figure out how to wind down. Wind down, get your body in a routine of wind down. So for me, it's taking a shower at night. And this is what I love to tell people. Sometimes as we get older, I'll take a shower in the morning. But if you think about when we were kids, or if you were raising kids, did you usually let them go to bed without taking a bath or a shower? At least for me, when I grew up, it was get your shower by 7, get your bath by 7, in the bed by 8, right? Or get your bath or shower by 8, in the bed by 9. But before you went to bed, we were just so used to getting that shower. And how did you sleep after that bath or that shower? Slept like a baby. I'm telling you, you slept like a baby, because something about that heat and that shower relaxing us before we go to bed, listening to a little soft, maybe relaxing music. I love my salt lamp. I love my essential oils burning, and I actually put them over my bed sheets and put this hair up if it's not curly. And if it's curly, I still put it in a bonnet to protect my hair. but it's really dirty now. I need to wash it, but it curls so nicely when it's dirty. I don't know if I'm going to clean it, but I am going to clean it. But definitely doing the things that are beyond just food when it comes to your wellness. So I hope this was helpful for you all. I would love to share this fresh squeezed orange juice with you, but I'm going to enjoy it tonight. And I'm going to drink it and drink it tomorrow too, and the next day and the next day. But I encourage you, very relaxing. Yes, it is very relaxing. So I encourage you guys, please take care of yourselves. Do things that help your overall well-being versus just your food intake. It's just not all about the food. And to learn more about our program, it is a 3-week gut intensive. It is starting November 28th. We'd love to have you join. You can check it out on healthytrailsliving.com and learn more about it. And until then, thanks for following me. Check out my reels and give me some likes and any stars that you like to give me. I greatly appreciate it. Have a good one and more content coming consistently. Have a great evening, you guys. Get some rest.